Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a common problem that many of us face in the tech world. Imagine setting up numerous iPhones at work for different clients, creating Apple IDs, and installing all the necessary apps, only to be bombarded with password prompts and address forms every time you try to install an app. Frustrating, right? Well, we've got a solution in store for you. In the quest for a solution, I recommend getting a USB hub or keyboard to streamline your typing process on the iPhone. Additionally, it's crucial to re-evaluate your setup process to avoid being locked out by Apple due to setting up too many Apple IDs from one device. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, and always keep your purchase information and Apple sales contact handy, just in case. Now, let's wrap it all up by emphasizing the importance of leveraging tools like Apple Business Manager and device enrollment infrastructure to create institutional Apple IDs in bulk. By taking advantage of these resources, you can say goodbye to the hassle of manual setup and enjoy a more efficient and streamlined process. Don't forget to reach out to Apple or your sales partner for further assistance in making the most out of these tools. And with that, happy setting up, and may your tech journey be smooth sailing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, the more the merrier.